Today we're going to learn how to download Ranger logs using a USB cable. Remember that Ranger supports download via Wi-Fi, which is much easier, so you'd probably only want to do this via cable if your instrument is somewhere where you don't have access to Wi-Fi. Okay, let's get started. On Ranger device, you'll want to enter the settings menu, and that's done by pressing and holding the left arrow key. Once in the settings menu, we'll navigate down to logging, and then we'll navigate down to export to USB. Click on that. And the export is complete, so I'll click OK to continue. You'll want to make sure for this operation that Ranger is connected to your PC via USB. The way that you can confirm this is by going into your File Explorer and making sure that Ranger has popped up. Specifically, when you click on Ranger and then double-click on storage, you'll see that this new sync file has appeared with extension SYNC, and we will be using this file. But if you need to, you can make a copy of the sync file and save it to your PC, in case you won't have access to Ranger in the next step. The third and final step is to synchronize the data to cloud. Aeroqual Cloud can be accessed by typing in cloud.aeroqual.com to any browser, and then log in using your credentials. I will click on Manage Data, and I will search for my Ranger. Once I find it, I click on it, and I click on Manage Data. And using the left navigation menu, scroll down to Manual Sync. Then select File. Go to Ranger, Storage, and select the sync file that we just spoke about. And right now, all the logs from Ranger are synchronizing to cloud. The operation is now done, so you can navigate anywhere in cloud and all the data will be visible to you now. Basic charts, advanced charts, table format. You can even download the data into CSV format. And you're done. Thank you for watching.